Hey there, sports fans! Ever wonder how a tiny island became a global sprinting powerhouse? We are about to take you on a ride through Jamaica's Olympic history. Let's rewind to 1948. Jamaica struts onto the Olympic stage for the first time in that year. Talk about making a grand entrance. And boy, did they make it count. Arthur Wint, the gentle giant, snatches Jamaica's first ever Olympic medal, a shiny silver in the men's 800-meter. But wait, there's more. Wint wasn't done yet. He went on to grab gold in the 400-meter dash, leaving his teammate in the dust. Now that's what we call a debut. Fun fact, Wint was actually a Royal Air Force pilot during World War II, from flying planes to flying on the track. Talk about a career change. Fast forward to 1952, and Jamaica is picking up speed. The men's 4x400-meter relay team blazes across the finish line, snagging silver in a world-leading time. Not too shabby for a country smaller than Connecticut. These guys were so fast that they probably could have outrun a hurricane. Now, here's a fun fact. In 1960, Jamaica decided to play nice and joined forces with Trinidad and Tobago and Barbados. They called themselves the British West Indies Federation. This dream team scooped up 2 bronzes. Talk about island unity. It was like the Caribbean's very own Avengers, but with more sprinting and fewer alien invasions. In 1976, Donald Quarrie turned up the heat. He sprinted his way to Jamaica's first Olympic gold in the 200-meter. Quarrie was so fast that they probably had to check if he left skid marks on the track. Legend has it that after his win, the local jerk chicken joints named their spiciest sauce after him. Too hot to handle. Ladies, it's your turn. In 1996, Deon Hemmings made history as the first Jamaican woman to strike Olympic gold. She hurdled her way to victory in the 400-meter, leaving the competition in her wake. You go, girl. Hemmings didn't just break barriers. She leaped right over them. Now let's talk about the man, the myth, the legend, Usain Bolt. In 2008, this human lightning bolt didn't just win. He rewrote the record books. 100-meter, 200-meter, 4x100-meter relay. He took them all faster than you can say Jamaica. And just to show it wasn't a fluke, he did it again in 2012. Twice as nice. Bolt was so fast, they say he could have delivered his own birth certificate. But Bolt wasn't the only one making waves in 2008. Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce led a Jamaican sweep in the women's 100-meter. That's right, Jamaica took gold, silver, and bronze. Talk about hogging the podium. It was like a Jamaican family reunion, but with more medals and less reggae. Speaking of firsts, in 2016, Omar McLeod leaped into history, clinching Jamaica's first Olympic gold in 110-meter hurdles. He jumped so high, they probably checked if he had springs in his shoes. McLeod's hurdle technique was so smooth, he could have cleared a limbo bar without breaking stride. Now, let's not forget the legendary ladies. Veronica Campbell-Brown, a.k.a. VCB, racked up a whopping 8 Olympic medals. As a kid, she used to race boys on the street. Looks like that practice paid off, huh? Those boys probably still have nightmares about being left in the dust. And how about Merlene Ottey? This sprinting sensation snagged 9 Olympic medals, tying the record for most medals in women's track and field. 9 medals? That's enough bling to open a jewelry store. They say Ottey's medal collection is so shiny you need sunglasses just to look at it. We can't wrap up without mentioning Yohan Blake. This speedster is the second fastest man ever in both 100-meter and 200-meter. Only one man has run faster. His countryman, Usain Bolt. Talk about keeping it in the family. Blake's so quick he probably finishes his morning run before his alarm goes off. So, what's the final tally? Through 2022, Jamaica has bagged 87 Olympic medals, with 86 of them in track and field. That's right, 86 out of 87. Talk about putting all your eggs in one very fast basket. The one non-track medal? It's probably feeling a bit lonely in that treasure chest of sprinting glory. From underdog to top dog, Jamaica's Olympic journey is nothing short of extraordinary. They've sprinted, hurdled, and relayed their way into the history books, proving that sometimes the smallest nations pack the biggest punch. So next time you see that black, green, and gold flag on the Olympic track, you know you're in for a show. Jamaica, keep on running. And hey, at this rate, they might just need to rename the 100-meter dash the Jamaican dash.